This typical 100 horsepower air compressor consumes 100 kilowatts of electricity between the motors, controls, and integration. The air compressor must convert that electric energy into mechanical energy. This mechanical loss includes energy lost in gearboxes, belts, and couplings. Air compression requires energy. Any unused energy is converted to heat that must be expelled to prevent the compressor from overheating, which is one of the largest maintenance costs of an air compressor. We are now only left with 10 to 15 horsepower of useful output energy. Unfortunately, about half of the remaining 15% is lost to air leaks and inefficient piping. That means only 5 to 8 horsepower of input electrical energy is actually being used to power your equipment. Now let's talk about how much compressed air really costs. Let's say this air compressor operates for 5,000 hours per year at a usage rate of 0.7456 kilowatts. At a power rate of 5 cents per kilowatt hour, when we do the math, we are spending about $14,000 in energy each year. As long as we're doing the math, we should also factor in annual maintenance costs, which is typically 10% of the purchase price. That's almost $60,000 in your first year of operation and close to $20,000 a year to operate it. Wow! Have you considered that in general, electric motors and pumps can cost 75 to 80% less to operate? You may find that hard to believe, but let's do the math and see what we come up with. For the sake of this video, we'll compare two high-quality Graco pumps. Here we have the data calculations for a range of pressures. Let's take a closer look at the cost of the kilowatts per hour for both pumps. As you can see, the cost difference ranges from 76% less to 81% less. That's quite a cost savings. While air power has been around for 2 centuries, it's clear there's a high price associated with operating air compressors to power pneumatic motors and pumps. So why not save money and increase your efficiency while still enjoying the benefits of an AODD pump by installing an electric version?